Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to discuss a quick tip, that is how to easily replace missing values with a variable mean. And now let us look into the example below to understand this better. Here we have three variables, call1, call2, call3, and if you can see, there are some missing values for call1, some missing values for call2, and some missing values for call3. And the goal here is to replace the missing values in call1 by its mean and replace the missing values in call2 by its mean, and also replace missing values in call3 by its mean. Replacing missing variable values with their respective means is super straightforward. We can do this with the help of proc standardize, and the syntax of the same is also very straightforward. All we need to say proc standardize data equal to test, wherein it means it is our input data set, and out equal to result 1. Here out is our output data set in which we want missing values replaced by their means. And here I am mentioning method equal to mean. Here there are many methods, but we are interested in replacing missing value with mean. That's why we are using method equal to mean. And finally, we are saying rep only, wherein we are just replacing missing value with the statistic requested in the method, and we have requested mean. And in the var statement, we can mention the columns in which we want the missing value to be replaced with their respective means. As we want for call1, call2, call3, we are going to mention call1 to call3 in our var statement, and then finally we use run statement here. And then I just wanted to say one thing here. The test and result 1 are the data sets which I have used and created for my purpose. You can use your own data set and then you can do out as the data set you want to. Here you can see in the result that by using this proc standardize, we were able to successfully replace missing value with their respective means. See, in the case of call1, the mean was 68.75 and it replaces the missing values in the call1 with 68.75. In the case of call2, the mean is 36.5 and you can see the missing values are replaced with 36.5. In the case of call3, the value is 105, that is the mean is 105 and it replaces the missing values with 105. Now let us look into replacing variable missing value with a mean of by group. Now let us try to understand what I mean by that. Here we have another data set. This data set name is new underscore test and it has two columns. The first one is ID and the second one is val. And we have two distinct IDs, that is 001 and 002. And for val we have missing value for 001 and 002. And now we do not want to replace a missing value with its full mean. What do I mean by that is not with the whole variable value. Instead, we want to replace it with individual ID mean. For example, here the ID is 001 and its mean is 523 and we want to replace it with 523. And in the case of 002, the mean is 715 and we want to replace it with 715. So we want to replace the missing value with a by group. And doing that is also very simple in proc standardize. All we need to do is we need to add by ID. Before doing this by ID, we need to sort the data by ID As the data is already sorted here, I'm not showing this step. So it is very clear, replacing missing values is super simple in proc standardize compared to any other way of doing this. And that's all for this topic. If you have liked this topic, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you.